Now we're going to look at some software development tools. We're going to look at object-oriented programming and then some security issues related to programming. One of the premier software development tools is called computer-aided software engineering, or CASE tools. Now a CASE tool is a very sophisticated platform that a software developer performs his design and development work within. So a software developer goes to school for several years and learns his software engineering skills, but then he has to go to school for another 6 months to a year to learn these very sophisticated CASE tools. Now when he does this, if he does this, the CASE tool actually is a huge aid to the proper development of software because it has pre-programmed structures and procedures that help the software developer produce his software more quickly, more efficiently, and it also has double checks to validate that the security and other mechanisms that might get installed in the software are cleaned up before the software is ever actually released. These other mechanisms I'm describing would be something called a maintenance hook, which is a sort of a backdoor for the programmer. As the programmer is testing a certain piece of his code, he doesn't want to have to log in and work through a menu to get to a certain location in the program. So what he does is he builds in something called a maintenance hook. And this maintenance hook lets him jump right to this one spot in the program so we can test it, refine it, test it, refine it, etc. Well, now these maintenance hooks, if they don't pull these maintenance hooks back out, these are vulnerabilities. Bad guys find these back doors and can violate the access control mechanisms that are built into the program. So a CASE tool keeps track of things like these maintenance hooks and will actually, at the end, assuming the software developer is following the rules, at the end will programmatically and systematically march through the entire program and extract these maintenance hooks because they should not be left in. These are vulnerabilities, the type of vulnerabilities I've been describing. This is a screen capture from one of the computer-aided software engineering tools. So our software has become more and more complex over time. We have things like virtual machines and multiple desktops and other sophisticated components like middleware that actually make our software processes more and more complex all the time. What does this mean? Well, the greater the complexity, the more opportunity for vulnerability, and it means that our security mechanisms must be more and more sophisticated all the time.